Hello, my name is Jeevan Prakash. I'm studying MTech second year structural engineering from NIT Trichy. Basically, I am faculty from Sri Krishna Engineering Academy. So we are going to start crash course regarding civil engineering branch. That is GATE 2025 crash course civil engineering branch. So basically, people will think that we need to cover more subjects to crack the GATE exam and getting into and IITs and NITs for MTech. No, it's not required actually. So with simple with less subjects also, we can able to score minimum marks to get into NITs and IITs. So that basically I will use some information regarding that. So here you can see. So already in our app we already covered aptitude. That is actually will be giving 15 marks. Mathematics will be giving 13 marks. Centimeter will be giving 4 to 5 marks, and fluid mechanics will be giving 4 to 5 marks. Right? So those things are already covered in the app. And rest of the topics like which are very important to crack the GATE exam with more marks actually, means with more weightage. Geotechnical engineering that will be giving 12 to 13 marks. Environment that will be giving 11 to 12 marks. And open channel flow that will be giving 3 to 4 marks. And these subjects will be covering these days actually, upcoming days. Geotech will be covering in November. Environmental will be covering in December. And open channel flow will be covering in will take only 5 or 6 hours, will cover in within 1 week. So these three subjects will cover, and if we cover these three subjects, so we can easily expect 50 to 65 marks in our GATE exam. So we can, if we really work hard for these subjects, we can get qualified in the GATE exam, and also we can expect we can expect IITs and NITs for our MTech. That's what actually I want to mention here. So for that, actually, you can contact this particular number to get admission into Sri Krishna Engineering Academy. If you are from second year, it will be very beneficial to you to crack after 2 years GATE exam. But third year also it is very beneficial for you. If you are a final year also, you can come and have the classes. You can get to know at least what you have to discuss, what you have to think, how you have to practice. So definitely we'll be giving every information regarding how to practice, how to solve the question, and how to understand the concept, and how to solve the question with the concept. So that everything will be delivering you. Don't think that GATE will be like with only formula. So we have to understand the topic, and then only we can able to solve the formula. That's why. So we planned everything properly. So we have only 3 months now, but yes, we can finish these subjects. Definitely, we can get good score. So hope everybody find very good things in this video. So please contact this particular number to join us. So we are actually going to conduct classes on every Saturday and Sunday. So definitely this will be helping you the people who are actually going colleges also. So please think about this. Come and join us, have classes, and please set your lives. Thank you.